Hello boys and girls. In this video I'm going to be telling you how to make your stomach growl. Let's face it, your body isn't making enough weird sounds already, so let's add to that. Queries of the Interweb. How's it going, guys? Joel here, and I amusingly answer questions that are searched for every single day on the interweb. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss anything. Life-changing information on this channel. Life-changing. So I'm going to walk you through 5 ways that you could make your stomach growl. Links to where I got my information is posted below, so if I don't get into scientific explanations of these, just go to the links. I don't, just go to the links. How to make your stomach growl. The first way is, and this is probably the most obvious, don't eat. People get hungry, their stomach growls. You probably already knew that. This is not new information to you. So let's just get that one out of the way. The second way to make your stomach growl, and this one may be obvious too, is to eat gassy foods. Foods that gas up your stomach, bruh. What foods are gonna gas you up? Beans, cabbage, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, excessive sugar, alcohol, soda. These foods will make you rumbling like the inside of Mount Fuji. I just sometimes write these jokes off the top of my head. I don't like write them down beforehand, so sometimes they don't blow up the way I was hoping they would. Let's move on. How to make your stomach growl, method number 3. This is actually opposite from the first one. The first one I said, don't eat. For this method, you're gonna overeat. Stuff your freaking little face, okay? Stuff it. Stuff your face, you little twerp. In addition to giving you diarrhea and possibly large poops, overeating is going to make your stomach rumble really, really badly. So don't hold back, bruh. On that 4th of July meal coming up in a few months from now, don't hold back. Show them what you got. Show them what you got, baby. A fourth way to make your stomach growl, and this kind of ties into the previous method, is after you're done eating, stay still, okay? Don't move. Let the food just concoct itself in there. Let it simmer. Let it just be still, okay? Be still. Don't move. You probably already do this anyway. Stuff your face and then you go sit in front of your laptop for some fun laptop time. Whatever that means. Laptop time. These sickos. A 5th thing that can make your stomach growl is anxiety, okay? Lots and lots of anxiety. Do you know how to make yourself anxious? Neither do I. Maybe I'll make a video about that. I just gave myself an idea. And you can give me an idea too. You have an idea for a video I should do? Leave it down below. I'd like to hear it. You know, I can only come up with these ideas, you know, so often. I don't know, if you guys try these ideas, let me know below. People would love to hear your success stories. Because making your stomach rumble is a success if you do it on purpose. And it's a failure in any other situation. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!